Hi guys, I'm Alan from CARONIC.com. We are here at Clayton, Dubai, and for today's video we are going to install Android multimedia screen for Nissan Kicks. This one is model 2020, and this device will fit from Nissan Kicks 2017 to 2021. Come, let's start fixing. This is the basic system for Nissan Kicks 2020. So as you see, there's only a radio. It's like a basic system. So this one, we're gonna upgrade into a Android multimedia screen. So let's start and fix this one. We're gonna remove this full dashboard. Then this is the original cables coming from the system, that car system. This is for the power, this USB for the radio. This is the screen that we are going to install in the car. It has two frames, this one and this is the another frame. We're going to attach like this, look like this, and it comes with the cables. We're gonna fix this one here. So start fix. This cable is here. This is for the RC wire, USB, another USB. This is for the power harness, radio, GPS. We're going to put this one first. Then need to cover. It's for the RC camera. This one is 4G antenna. This is GPS. This is the power. What else? USB. This is the radio. Yeah. This is the camera that we're gonna put. AHD, 100-degree angle with night vision. Very good quality. So, this is after installation of the Android multimedia screen for Nissan Kicks. Have a quick look. Then, we will go to its feature. So, this is the Android multimedia screen. It has a 4GB RAM, 64GB storage with built-in CarPlay. This device have three specifications. We have 2GB RAM, we have 4GB RAM, we have 6GB RAM. This one have equalizer. This one you can adjust. It has also file manager. USB, we put it here. If you plug your USB here, USB will show it here. On the file manager, you can show your files here in the file manager. You can even set which application do you want to put when you press this navigation. It has also Bluetooth. When you're on Bluetooth, when your phone is connected, you can already play music in your mobile, answer and dial calls like that. It has radio also. For the radio, this device already supports also the steering wheel controls. So you can control the steering wheel buttons. You can increase volume, decrease, next, previews, answer calls like this. Then source, navigation, music, video like this. It has maps. So we have also this T-Link. We are calling this one as CarPlay and Android Auto. Android Auto for Android, then CarPlay for iPhone user. Next is Play Store also, Google Play. This one, before you download something here, you need to sign in your Gmail account. Then it has video. I have USB here, I will try. See, when I plug my USB, it will detect. Just search for your USB, then you can play movies here. can zoom in, zoom out. Video supports HD, so this device have good quality. Same in the music also same. When you plug in USB, you can detect musics. You can play music on your USB. Menu. When you downloaded something, it will go on this menu. YouTube, navigation, all is here, navigations. Even supports the lighting here if you want to change lighting. Same color as on your dashboard. You want blue, red. This car have orange. So I will show you on how to change the logo on the screen. The boot up logo. I mean the car logo itself. See, I will show you. First, you need to connect it to the Wi-Fi. Then go to the setting, go to factory. The password for this Clayton device is 8888. Then for the Nissan logo, we need to download that one. Here you need to select model. Since this device have no canvas, we go to no protocol. Then we need to find Nissan. Then general, public, then logo. If you're not connected to the internet, it will not be downloaded. Okay. Then it will update. After the update, it will restart automatically. Then again, you need to set the logo. Now it's restarted. It will show still the Clayton logo. If you see this one, don't panic. This one is normal. Don't worry. Just go again to the factory. Put the password. Set the logo. Now Nissan is there. Logo setting. Set logo complete. Then restart the device. Now it's set. This is another feature for this device. It supports theme. So, see, this is the home screen. If you want to change that one, you can change also. This supports theme. It will show a lot of themes in here. Not just one, not just two. There's a lot of themes over here. But this one is not free. You need to activate this one. And we have also that activation code. But on here, this is the default themes. So if you want to change, there's this one. Then for the reverse, automatic it will show the camera when you go reverse. The one that we fix is AHD camera, high definition, with wide angle and night vision. Thank you for joining me on this video. If you like the channel, please do like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And for more details about the item, please visit our website www.caronic.com, and see you in the next video.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next video.